This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Overlander, a robust navigation device built for your next adventure. This versatile unit is engineered to guide you through both paved roads and challenging off-grid trails. Its bright, 7-inch color touchscreen is designed for easy viewing, even in direct sunlight, and can be operated while wearing gloves, making it perfect for any outdoor enthusiast. We'll cover everything from basic setup to advanced trip planning, ensuring you get the most out of your device. The Overlander excels in navigation, providing detailed guidance wherever you roam. It comes preloaded with topographic maps for North and South America, offering rich detail for off-road exploration. You can also download additional maps globally. For a clearer view of your surroundings, high-resolution satellite imagery helps you identify potential obstacles or scenic routes. Switching between on-road and off-road navigation is seamless, ensuring you always have the right guidance, whether you're on a highway or a remote trail. Planning your next adventure is simple with the Overlander. You can create custom routes, mark waypoints, and find thousands of iOverlander points of interest, including campsites and water sources. The device also records your journey, providing essential data like elevation changes, speed, and distance traveled. All your routes, tracks, and waypoints can be easily synced to your smartphone or computer via the Garmin Explore app, allowing you to plan at home and navigate confidently on the go. Beyond navigation, the Overlander offers several practical features. Its internal battery provides up to 3 hours of power, perfect for quick scouting trips away from your vehicle. For enhanced safety, it seamlessly pairs with Garmin InReach devices, enabling two-way satellite communication and SOS capabilities. The robust powered magnetic mount ensures your device stays secure, even on rough terrain, while allowing for quick detachment. Plus, built-in Wi-Fi makes updating maps and software incredibly convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.